Hello everyone. So let us start with our first question. So the question is, if marginal propensity to import is 0.1 and the marginal propensity to consume is 0.7, the value of income multiplier will be. So the formula to find the income multiplier is 1 by MPI, 1 by MPS plus MPI. So according to the question, the marginal propensity to consume is 0.7. We all know to find marginal propensity to save, that is MPS, the formula is MPS is equal to 1 minus MPC. So 1 minus 0.7 is 0.3. Now 1 by 0.3 plus 0.1, we get 1 by 0.4 and the answer is 2.5. So the answer is 2.5. So let's come to the second question. So the second question is, if the number of observations are 100, arithmetic mean is 180, variance is 324, the coefficient of variation will be standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to root over variance. As variance is given in the question, so root over 324 and standard deviation will be 18. Now to find coefficient of variation, the formula is standard deviation by mean into 100. The standard deviation is 18, mean is given in the question, that is 180 into 100. And our answer is 10. Now the third question is, which amongst the following statement is correct? Option number A is the minimum point of AVC and MC are at the same level of output. B, minimum of AVC is at lesser output than the minimum of MC. Third is minimum of AVC is at a larger output than the minimum of AVC. And D is any of the above is possible depending upon the operating of the law of returns. So the correct answer is option number 3. Let me explain why. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. This is our MC curve. This is our AVC curve. And this is our AC curve. So we find that the minimum point of AVC, that is this point, is at a greater output than MC. As the x-axis measures output, so the minimum point of AVC, as you can see, this point is at a greater output than MC. The next question is assertion and reason. So the assertion is skewness measures regression and the reason is kurtosis measure flatness at the top of the curve. The answer will be A is false and R is true. Let me explain why. Skewness never measures regression. Skewness is something which measures symmetry, and the reason is correct because kurtosis measure flatness at the top of the frequency curve. See, so the general form of kurtosis is Let me explain why. So the general form of kurtosis, the upper one is leptokurtic, the middle one is mesokurtic, and the last one is platykurtic. So we can say that A is false but R is true. Okay. The next question is, the short run supply curve of a firm under perfect competition is the same as the answer will be marginal cost curve above the average cost curve. So let me explain why. See, this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis. Our x-axis measures output and y-axis measures cost. This is here average revenue is equal to marginal revenue, and marginal revenue, and this is the marginal cost curve which cuts marginal revenue curve from the bottom, and this is the AC curve and this is the ABC curve. So the MC curve, this is the MC curve, and above the ABC curve measures the short run supply curve. The next question is, which one of the following is true for demand side vicious circle of poverty? The answer is A, because when we have low income, then low demand, then low in investment, capital deficiency, low productivity and low income. The next question is, the concept of intra-industry trade is given by, the answer will be Jagdish Bhagwati. Intra-industry trade means when there is exchange of products or goods which belong to the same industry, and inter-industry, TER, inter-industry is when we exchange goods between different industries. So in intra-industry trade, it leads to innovation, and this concept was given by Jagdish Bhagwati. The next question is, the demand for rare paintings, rare stamps, etc. is explained by which among the following effect? The answer will be snob effect. Snob effect is something when we have demand for some unique things. So like rare paintings, rare stamps. And the last question is, various trade reforms after 1991 in India were implemented by option A Manmohan Singh, B C.N. Vakil, C Brahmanand, P.R. Brahmananda, and D is Jagdish Bhagwati. So I want my viewers to comment in the comment box. Till then, thank you.